Ma'am, share your screen. Okay, that particular call was disconnected, all of you. So no worries. So now see, all of you, basically whatever the things that you are doing, okay, so that should be appeared in this thing. Like whatever the transfers that you are doing, okay, basically the transfer should be appeared, okay, for the cost centers that you have mentioned. You have mentioned, um, I mean, in KB11N transaction code, you have mentioned somewhat cost centers, right? So for that particular cost centers, you can able to see the details also. Okay, so that is very, very important. Now, all of you, our next concept is um, actual versus plan postings in SAP control. Okay, actual versus plan. So here you have just seen actual with absolute variances, right? Now we will going to see actual versus plan postings in SAP controlling, SAP S4 HANA controlling. Okay, go back to the Word document now. So now you have seen it, right, all of you, how the transfer things will be happen in controlling and on. So this is just a simple scenario. If they ask you anything, I mean, how you can able to transfer that particular amount from one cost center to the another cost center, you can just say using transaction code KB11N. So you can able to see the details. Then next concept is all of you go to the actual, write down actual versus plan postings, actual versus plan postings in SAP S4 HANA controlling. Actual versus plan postings in SAP S4 HANA controlling. In SAP S4 HANA controlling. Okay. Using transaction code KA06. So this is for the plan cost, all of you. That is KA06. Using transaction code KA06. So this is for the plan cost test. Okay, that is very, very important in HANA controlling, all of you. Okay. Okay, right. So what we need to do is go to the transaction code KA06. 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 You are not getting. Go to the transaction code KA06. KA06. Why the transaction code is not. working. K06. It is for the creation of the secondary cost element. Ma'am, remove the K06, just give the KP06, go to the SAP system. I think so. KP06 is for the this one, right? Cost elements, sorry, cost element and activity input for planning. This is the one, KP06. Go to the Word document and try to change the transaction code. Try to change the transaction code KP06. Okay, come back to the system. And here we have used the layout, okay, that is 12101, that is cost elements activity independent and activity dependent. Okay, all of you. So version is 0 and from period. So from period is 1 and to period is also 1. From period is 1 and to period is 1. And what is the cost center? So take out the HR admin. Take out the HR admin. So you have taken the HR admin, right? Where is the HR admin? HR common is there, HR mobiles is there. Yeah, take out the admin common, no issue. Take out the admin common. And for this admin common, drag to the, come down, ma'am. For this cost element, we need to take out the, this one. Go to the, take out the stationery expenses, ma'am. No issue. Take out the stationery expenses. See, all of you, to understand these controlling concepts and all, you need to refer these videos 2 times, all of you. Okay, 2 or 3 times. Then you can get the clarity and why we are using the activity input to plan costings and cost elements and all. Okay, so that is very, very important when it comes to the controlling. So refer 2 or 3 more times. You will going to get clarity, somewhat clarity. Okay, so basically, entry is for the free based and all of you. Whatever the version that we have taken, whatever the period that we have taken, so based on that current periods, so we can able to see the screens. Okay, what is that particular screen? That is related to the admin department common, that is cost center only. Okay, so what we need to do is ma'am, go to the overview. So there is a sun option, right? Overview screen. Yeah, go to the overview screen. So in this overview screen, all of you, it will going to ask you to enter some of the details. See all of you, what is the plan fixed cost that we have? So here you can enter plan fixed cost is 5 lakh. Enter plan fixed cost is 5 lakh here. Plan fixed cost is 5 lakh. That is plan variable cost. We are not entering any plan variable cost. We are entering planned fixed cost. OK, so that is very, very important. See, all of you, this distribution is nothing but the periodic distribution. OK, so this distribution is nothing but the periodic distributions and all. So yeah, what we need to do is select the distribution, ma'am, and I will show you. Go to the drop down option. Select that particular distribution. Yes. See all of you, manual distribution or equal distribution or distribution as before, distribution by percentages and distribution values to the following non-values periods and all. So I'm taking distribution as before. Same thing, whatever the plan costs that we have. So we can able to do it up. So that is very, very important option that we have. So whatever the changes that have been posted, OK, so we can able to see all these things with the help of cost center groups. OK, so that is very, very important when it comes to the plan actual postings. OK, so yeah, remove it and go to the post button and go to the save details. So see all of you, these changes have been, the data has been posted. Whatever the change in data that we have, that has been posted with this particular thing. Now what we need to do, so we have whatever the changes that have been posted. So let us go back to the cost center groups. OK, so that is very, very important. Go to the SAP Easy Access, ma'am. So try to remember each and every transaction codes, all of you. Most probably in controlling, they will just ask you these questions. So where you can able to change the costs and all, how you can able to give the plan fixed costs for the particular cost centers and all. They will ask you different types of questions. So just be careful. Go to the accounting. Go to the accounting. Then next controlling, cost center accounting. Then next information system and reports for cost center accounting and plan or actual comparisons. Plan or actual comparisons. Take out the first one, cost centers. Execute it. So let us execute for all the periods, all of you. So go to the execute option, ma'am. Go to the execute option. So now see all of you, what you are getting. See 5 lakh have been posted, right? 5 lakh have been posted, right? So what is the absolute variances that you have? So 5 lakh is the absolute variances that you have. Why? Because admin common cost centers group is completely different. Why? Because see, in the HR common department, you have posted the actual cost is 10 lakh rupee, but you have posted one more thing, that is plan cost is 5 lakh rupee, and you are getting absolute variances that is 5 lakh rupee. 100% variance is there. Are you getting my point right, all of you? So or else I will show you one thing. Double click on admin common. Double click on admin common. Double click on admin common. Admin common. Yeah, double click on it. See all of you. So you are getting this 5 lakh things and all, right? So that is very, very important when it comes to it. This is debit balances. OK, so that is very, very important. Now let us try to post the actual costs for that particular cost center. OK, so that is very, very important. Now let us try to post actual cost. So here you have posted the plan cost, right? Now let us try to post the actual costs for that particular cost center. Okay, like admin expenses instead, right? So what we need to do is give slash in, give slash in. So go to the transaction code FB50. So same we have taken the FB50 right yesterday. So in that, again for the same period, so give the document header text as admin expenses. Give the document header text as give the date 01.04.2024. 01.04.2024 and document header text is admin expenses April 2024. Admin expenses April 2024. Yeah, in the GL account, take out the stationery expenses account. Take out the stationery expenses account. That is the debit, and the amount is 1 lakh rupee. If the amount is 1 lakh rupee. And take out the next GL. Take out the next GL. Do you have any travel expenses? You have created the travel expenses, right? Take out the travel expenses. Travel expense is, see, I'm just posting those things, all of you. Okay. Travel expenses is also a debit. Okay. So the amount is 2 lakh rupee. Take out the 2 lakh rupee. No issue. Take out the 2 lakh rupee. And take out the next GL account, that is electricity expenses also. Take out the next GL account, that is, see, I will show you how we will going to consider all these amounts and on. Okay. That is 3 lakh rupee. Okay, how much it will be, all of you? 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Okay, that is very, very important when it comes to the this thing. Yes, take out the admin common. Admin common. That one, same thing. Same thing also. I mean for 400609 travel expenses also admin common, and 400611 that is stationery expenses also, that is for the electrical expenses also, that is for the admin common. Yeah, click on the enter. Now go up and take out the here on right to the upside. Take out the next thing, that is a bank account, any bank account. The amount is 6 lakh rupee only, right? The amount is 6 lakh rupee. Right. So click on the enter. Don't take any. So now. No. 6 lakh rupee. Remove it. You are in a hurry. So remove it. Take out 6 lakh. You have entered 60 lakh. That's it. Click on the enter. So now the amount is equal, right, all of you? So that is the most important thing right now we have. Then what we need to do is go to the simulate option. Now we will going to see whether we will going to get the any error or not. Double click on travel expenses and try to give the text as travel expenses. Text as travel expenses. Yes, come back and step back and go to the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Just give the amount for cost elements. Amount for cost elements. Amount for cost elements. Click on the enter, come back. Okay, so now we will going to see it, all of you. Yesterday we got the error regarding with these things, right? See, all of you, the main entry is stationary expenses debit, travel expenses debit, electricity expenses debit, and cash. And we are doing actual postings and all. So go to the post button, ma'am. And if we get the errors, and again we have to go back. So this document has been posted. So 39089 has been posted. Go to the document and display option. Go to the document and display option. Now see, all of you, stationary expenses debit, travel expenses debit, and electricity expenses debit, and ICICI bank account credit. So you got a complete actual postings and on. Now let us try to regenerate the cost center report. Okay, so what we need to do is give /n SAP Easy Access accounting controlling cost center accounting. So you have the cost center, right? I mean the cost center reports and all. So execute this one. Execute S_ALR_87013613611. 13611. Now it is only for the admin common, right? All of you. So come down here, cost center group R values. So take out the come down. R values is there, right? So that is cost center group is particularly related to the cost center group only. So this one R values is related to the cost centers. Okay, so take out the admin common. Take out the admin common. It is only for the admin common only, right? All of you. So that's why we are just seeing these things and click on the execute option. I will show you one thing. See, all of you. So you have posted that thing. So for that stationary expenses, what is the actual costs that you have? You have seen it yesterday. In this thing only. Previous transaction code. You have posted 1 lakh. And for the travel expenses, you have posted 2 lakh. For the electricity expenses, you have posted 3 lakh. Total 6 lakh. But what is the planned costs you have posted for the stationary expenses? Okay, that you have 5 lakh, right? And what is the variances that you have? 4 lakh rupee. So you have 80% is the variances. And for the total debit balances and all, you have the variances, that is 20% variances, and you have the 1 lakh rupee variance. Okay, all of you. So try to observe the difference between planned costs and actual costs and all. When it comes to the product, like product details and all, for the example of laptop, okay, we will going to take out different types of things. Then you can able to get clear-cut understanding. Now just try to learn what is actual posting, what is planned posting, and what is the variances and all in the same screen. So you can able to see 3 details like actual, planned, and variances. Okay, all of you. So little bit confusing, but I mean, when you go through it, again, you will going to get complete details. So this is the way you can able to get the transfers details and all for the particular cost center group. Okay, all of you. So now our next concept is not the next concept. Our next step is manual transfer of cost is using transaction code KB61. I think so. Yeah. Go to the Word document, ma'am. 17th thing is actually you have seen it, right? So you haven't seen any manual transfers, right? Manual transfer of costs using transaction code KB61. What we need to do is write down manual transfer of costs. Manual transfer of costs. Manual transfer of costs using transaction code KB61. Manual transfer of costs using transaction code KB61. KB61. That's it. Now all of you, so you have seen the planned fixed cost using transaction code KB11N. Okay, you got my point. Now this is for the manual interruption. Okay, so manual postings and all, or else manual transfers and all. Now using transaction code KB61, right? I will show you the path also. Give slash n. I will show you the path also. Give slash n. So close this one. Go to the accounting and controlling and cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. Then next actual postings. Actual postings. In that you have manual reposting of costs. In the manual reposting of costs, you have seen the KB11N. Open that one. That is the KB11N only. KB13N is for the display. Okay, right. And that thing, manual reposting of revenues. Open the manual repost. No, not the manual reposting of revenues. Repost line items. I think so. Repost line items. Yes. So this is the KB61. Okay, all of you. So now click on the KB61 and we will see the difference between KB11N and KB61. Okay. And here, all of you, when it comes to the source document number, we have posted the source document number, right? That thing is. Give me 1 second. What is the source document number that we have generated? No, not this thing. This source document number is there. What is the source document number? What is the source document number that we have generated? That is what is that thing? 39098, right? Remove it. Go to the transaction code FB03. Go to the transaction code FB03. 39089. Okay, good. Okay, right. Come back to this screen and try to give the document number 39089. Okay, so the company code is that thing and fiscal year is 2024 and the cost element is 400 600. Okay, go to that cost element. Sorry, 400608, right? 4006. Yeah, yes. Stationary expenses and all. And cost center. Take out the cost center. So that is admin common. So that is very, very important when it comes to the enter each and everything. And we need to enter the cost elements. Okay. From stationary expenses to the, what is that thing on? Give me 1 second. From stationary expenses to the electrical expenses. From stationary expenses to the electrical expenses. 4000611, and admin cost interest is the most important point right now. Okay. Now what we need to do is go to the click on execute option. No issue. Click on execute option. See all of you. So what is the value transfer current accounts that you have? 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. So that is a very, very important point right now we have. That is enter reposting of the line items and all. See now let us try to change the amount for item. Okay, so that is 0001. Change account assignments. So change the account assignments to the admin mobiles. Okay, so here admin common is there right now. So change the account assignment to the first one 001. For 001, you have account assignment 1 is there, right? Admin common. In that, select that one, go to the drop down option and take out the admin mobiles. Take out the admin mobiles. Take out the admin mobiles, no issue. Then next one for the item 002. No, remove it, and we will take out the remove the 2 lakh, just give 1,80,000. We will also change that amount. I will also show you how the amount will be changed. 1,80,000. Okay, and remove the admin common. Just give admin laptops. Admin laptops is there, right? Yeah, click on the enter. Enter. So amount is also segregated in your interview. Definitely they will going to ask you this question. Okay, so then for item 003, let us try to let it be the amount. Then account assignment is HR mobiles. For 003, for 3 lakh, try to change the admin mobiles. Account assignment is admin mobiles. Same thing. Yes. So see all of you, I'm changing the repostings of the line items. So just observe the points. Whatever the posted items that we have based on the 39089 document number, I'm reposting of the line items with the help of account assignments like admin mobiles. For admin common, we have set it as 20,000 rupees only. So for admin mobiles, admin laptops, okay. So I'm changing the complete things. Okay, so that is very, very important when it comes to the repostings of the line items and all. Definitely in interview, how you can able to repost the items which you have posted. So definitely they will going to ask you the questions. You're going to able to give the transaction code, that is KB61. That is very, very important, all of you. Okay. Now what we need to do is, so we will going to post the thing. Okay, all of you. Yeah, go to the save button, ma'am. Post button. Post the details. All of you, basically, if that particular number range is not updated, okay. So if that particular number range is not updated, for this, I'm just giving you the information. So we have faced this error regarding with entering postings of the line items. Maybe it will throw you an error that is particularly related to the KNK transaction code. I mean intervals of the CO document with the object RK underscore BE BELEG. Okay, so in that we will going to have the groups like RKU3 group will be there. So RKU3 is nothing but the repostings of the CO line items. I will show you. Take out the new screen. Take out the new screen. So if you are facing any error, okay, so go to the KANK transaction code. In that KANK transaction code, give your controlling area and go to the intervals, edit intervals. In that edit intervals, all of you, you can able to see, sorry, come back. Go to the edit option, edit groups, go up. I mean change groups. So here all of you, you can able to see, drag it to the downside. That is RKU3 all of you. RKU3 is nothing but the reposting of CO line items. Drag it to the downside. So try to find out for the RKU3. See all of you. RKU3 is for the repost of CO line items. If any number range is missed, okay, for the repost of CO line items and all, automatically you just need to come back to this KANK. So if it is not there, so try to click on it and go to the create option. Automatically you will going to get it. Already we have assigned each and every number range, so that's why you are not getting the reassigning options and all. Okay, so that is the very important thing right now we have. Here you can see the document has been posted and note down the document number, that is 2 crore 1 now. Go to that particular screen, give /n. Here take out the document number. Take out the document number. Paste it in the Skype. So we will going to see all of you display of the actual cost. Display of the that actual cost documents. Okay, so using transaction code KSB5, right? So go to the transaction code KSB5. Go to the transaction code KSB5. This is the document that we have posted, and go to the execute option. No issue. Go to the execute option and double click on double click on this thing, anything. Double click on that. See all of you. So this is the way you can able to get it basically, or else come back, and display of the repostings of the documents will leave the data. Yes, leave the list. So double click on this document 20 crore 1. This is the way you can able to see the postings and all for each and everything. Okay, so that is the master data details for the particular cost centers and all, like admin cost centers, whatever the things that we have changed, so you can able to get it up. So this is the way you can able to see the planned and actuals, and you can able to change the actuals things also. Okay, so in interview this is very important. So this is just a trailer version, all of you, for you. Okay, so we are not in depth, so it is just a trailer possession, and in depth the concept is different. Okay, so like ongoing concept is completely different when it comes to the controlling. Okay, so basically yes, yeah, give /n. Now see, we have seen the document details and all. Now let us go back to the cost center report and execute it again. Okay, so take out the accounting. Yeah, controlling, cost center accounting, and information system, information system, information system. And then next, repost of cost center accounting, repost of cost center accounting, and plan or actual comparisons. Yeah, take out this cost centers. Take out this cost centers. Yes. Now here in the cost center values, here in the cost center values, take out the admin common. Take out the admin common. Admin common. Yeah, go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. See all of you. So you can able to have the variances, that is 20,000, and the change variance percentage change has been changed. Okay, so you have posted the actual costs, right, for the travel expenses and all. Okay, so that is the way you can able to divide each and everything. And once the class is over, just go for the plan. What is plan? What is actual? What is variance? In-depth thing. I will explain you for the example of laptop. Okay. So I will going to show you one product. With that one product, what is the variances, what is the actual, what is the plan, and what is the activity type that we have, and what is the actuals, and sorry, what is the uh, allocations and distributions that we have, and how it will be replicated. I mean how it will be reflected in the material prices and all. So you can able to see the absolute variances and all of it. And I will try to take out the screenshot. You will get it. Now let us execute with the all cost centers, all of you. So you will going to get a clarity. Come back, ma'am. One step back and remove the. Yes, we'll exit the report. Remove this R values. I mean that is admin common. No. Remove it. Remove it. Totally, it will going to take out. Click on the enter and go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. See, for all the cost centers, so we are executing each and everything. So now see all of you. What is the variances that you have? Okay, so for this cost center groups and all, so you can able to see it. 1,60,000 is there. Sorry, 16 lakh is there, and we have planned costs that is 5 lakh rupee only, and you have the variances. See, what is the variances that you have? So we have posted the actual posters and all, and we have seen the fixed costs and all. Based on this planned fixed cost, that is 5 lakh, you got the variances, and total variances you got it, like that is added to the particular actual costs, that is 11 lakh. And you will going to get somewhat confusion, all of you, but so see the videos 2 times. Automatically you will going to get a clarity. So for what reasons we are seeing all these things, you will going to have a total things. Okay, so don't worry, but you will going to have complete things. Now let us try to see the things like admin mobile expenses and all. So go to the admin mobile. Go to the admin mobile cost center. Double click on it. See all of you. So you got the thing right. Stationary expenses you have, and electricity expenses also you have. You got my point? For the admin mobiles, I mean, in the changing of that particular screen, you have seen it trying to. So we have changed that thing. Okay, from one account assignment we have changed right to the admin mobiles. Okay. So from my side, you're getting disturbance. Give me 1 second. Okay, right. So you have changed the account assignments, right? For that account assignments, 3 lakh electricity expenses and all, it has been added to the cost center. So this is the way you can able to see the things. Okay, so this is the way you can able to see the plan and actual and variances for that particular cost centers and all of you. I mean, they will going to post different types of entries, right? Okay, so based on that entries, you can able to see the details. Okay, and one more important thing is that all of you, so we have completed 3 parts. One is cost center hierarchy creations, another one is cost center groups and cost centers creations, and another one is cost center groups planned actuals and variances and planned fixed costs and transfers of the cost centers amounts from one cost centers to the another cost centers. And we have seen the planned fixed costs, and we have seen the account assignments for that particular cost centers and all from one cost center to the another cost center. And tomorrow we will going to see allocations and distributions. Okay, controlling allocation cycle and distribution cycle. We haven't moved to the product costings and all of you. So this is just a cost center accounting. Cost center accounting and profit centers accounting and all. You no need to worry about all these things. Just try to observe the points like how the cost centers actual planning will be happen and plan costs will be happen. I mean, how the plan costs will be happen and how the variances will be happen. And if we change the cost center amount from one cost center to the another cost center, how the variances will be shown. Okay, and if we change the plan fixed costs and all, how the costs will be changed with the help of total debit balances and all. So you will going to get a complete clarity and see the video 2 times. Okay, so why I'm saying this, in interview things, they will going to ask you those questions for that particular product. I mean, when we move to the concept like product costing and all, you will get a clarity. Okay, so activity types will be there, right? So we do have expenses, we do have packaging, and we do have delivery, and we do have soldiering expenses. I mean, soldiering activities and all. You have number of things, but when you go through it, I will provide you the material also. I will prepare the material for you. Okay, I will provide the material, don't worry. And you just try to remember the complete real-time process, how the actuals will be happen, how the plans will be happen, and how the variances will be happened. You just need to focus on all these things. Cost center report is very, very important, all of you. Okay, so see, cost controlling is nothing but the simply assigning the cost center in the particular FB50 transaction code or FB60 transaction code or FB70 transaction codes and all. That is not the good thing. Okay, simply assigning the cost center and profit center, and if you say this is the only concept, like the controlling is the vast concept. You cannot able to understand each and everything. But if you are having that knowledge and if you are having that enthusiasm, definitely you will going to see that complete difference. See, we have done such simple, I mean, different types of activities in one screen for that particular cost center accounting. Then tomorrow you will going to see the controlling allocations and distributions. Allocations and distribution concept is very, very important in controlling. In interview point of view also, they will going to ask you questions. Definitely. Okay, if they ask you anything, just go with the flow. Okay, so go with the Word document. You can able to have number of configurations. Okay, so you can able to see each and everything. Okay, all of you.